Family vacations. They're the stuff of memories, but anyone who's traveled with kids knows it's not always smooth sailing. Today I'm sharing must-know family travel tips for a seamless vacation. First up, packing hacks. Use packing cubes to keep everyone's belongings organized. Trust me, it's a game changer. Don't forget to split essentials across multiple bags. This way, if one gets lost or delayed, you're still covered. Next, entertainment. Pre-download movies and games. It's a lifesaver on long flights. And for road trips, pack a multi-port charger and bring along some new car games. Now let's talk snacks. Healthy snacks like fruit and nuts can stave off hunger and save you from pricey airport food. And always travel with reusable water bottles to stay hydrated without breaking the bank. Onto airplane travel tips. Keep a blanket handy for your toddler to make them feel snug and secure. Pack essentials like a change of clothes and snacks in your carry-on. And for those ear-popping moments, gum works wonders. Accommodation tips. Consider vacation rentals with kitchens. They save money and make your stay more comfortable. And don't forget portable sleep solutions for the little ones. Be prepared for emergencies, have a roadside assistance plan for car troubles, and keep an emergency kit in your vehicle. For flight delays, download your airline's app for real-time updates. Lastly, always have digital backups of important documents. It's a simple step that can save a lot of hassle. By planning ahead and using these tips, you can make your family vacation smoother and more enjoyable. Safe travels and happy adventures. For more family travel tips, visit Levo Family Vacations.